Best Snowmobile Lift. Number 1, Extreme Max Snowmobile Lever Lift Stand. It is a reliable lift that is well supported by a base that offers a lot of stability. As a result, you get a maximum lift height of 30, thereby allowing you enough room to work with your vehicle. Hence, it ensures that you get a clean operation, and the synthetic motor oil does not rub on your clothes. Thanks to the cushioned handles, you get a comfortable performance, and you do not have to wear your snowmobile gloves. Instead, you can use your bare hands to get precise handling. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Extreme Max 5800.118 Deluxe Aluminum Snowmobile Lift. It is made from the best quality aluminum, and so it is very robust and can withstand the daily demands of the job. It is made possible by the inclusion of a clear anodized variant of aluminum that makes it durable with the ability to deliver a strong performance. Likewise, it comes with rubber lift cushions as well as a crank handle and wheels. The wheels are suitable for most light-duty tasks and offer you the desired flexibility to complete them to precision. Moreover, the frame, along with the wheel kit, produces the necessary capacity to get work done quickly. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3, Extreme Max Pro Series Snowmobile Lever Lift Stand. It has a forward-angled design that enables you to lift the track on different sled styles such as Arctic, XF, Cat ZR, and Viper or Polaris models. Furthermore, it has a lift height of 30, which makes it ideal for maintenance, repair, and cleaning. Now, it is incredibly sturdy, thanks to the durable base that offers stability. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4, Extreme Max Pro Snowmobile Lift with Wheel Kit. It is a reliable unit, and thanks to the wheel kit, you get a lot of comforts, which makes it convenient to work for long hours. So, due to the sturdy wheels, you can move the sleds quite quickly, which makes it possible and ensures that you can use it with various sleds. Therefore, you get a lot of versatility with your tool. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5, Black Ice Sno1508 Snowmobile Lift Stand. It flaunts a black painted finish and is equipped with a 1x2-inch steel tubing that allows you to use it for heavy-duty operations. Moreover, it is very versatile, and you have the option of using a manual crank or the pneumatic impact wrenches. Likewise, you get a maximum lift height of 27.25 inches. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.